In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and import favorites in Microsoft Edge. This is really useful if you're moving to a new computer, switching browsers, or you just want a backup of all your saved websites so you don't lose them. I'll walk you through the whole process, step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to save your favorites as a file, and then bring them back into Edge whenever you need to. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Look towards the top right corner of the window for the 3 horizontal dots. This is the Settings and More menu. Go ahead and click on that. From the drop-down that appears, find and click on Settings. This will open a new page or tab with all of Edge's settings options. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Look for the one labeled something like Profiles or Import Browser Data, depending on your version of Edge. You want the section that deals with your browsing data and favorites. Once you're there, you'll see an option related to importing or exporting favorites or bookmarks. To export your favorites, choose the option that says Export Favorites or Export to File. Edge will then ask you where you want to save this file on your computer. It's usually saved as an HTML file, which is a standard format that most browsers understand. Pick a location you'll remember, like your desktop or your Documents folder, and give the file a clear name so you can easily find it later. Then click Save. At this point, all your current favorites have been backed up into that single file. Now let's look at how to import favorites, either into the same browser on a different device, or after a reset or reinstall, open Edge again. Go back to the 3 dots in the top right and click on Settings. Return to that same section where you saw the import and export options. This time, choose Import Favorites or Import from File. A file browser window will open. Navigate to the HTML file you exported earlier. Select it, then click Open. Edge will read that file and add all the saved favorites into your browser. Depending on how many you had, this might take a moment, but it's usually very quick. Once it's done, open your Favorites bar or Favorites menu and check that everything looks right. You should see all your old folders and links restored. If you're moving between devices, remember you can also copy that exported file to a USB drive or a cloud storage service and then import it on any other computer running Edge. That's all there is to it. You've successfully exported and imported your favorites in Microsoft Edge.